Most customers who come to us, they have searched and researched and been online for days and weeks. They don't know who to trust. They don't know who's selling a product that is going to satisfy their own safety needs as well as their performance needs. This is where we come in. We do the homework for you so you don't have to. When my wife and I built our home in 1991, we wanted a safe home. We wanted a home built with natural materials. It took a lot of time, about 5 or 6 years, for us to find enough materials to actually start building our home. People kept asking us about buying products like we had, and we finally decided to say, hey, maybe we should open our own business.
We've really built our business from experience. Let's do it ourselves first. Let's research it. Let's try it. Let's make sure it works. And then let's offer it to people. And then we can really stand behind it.
If you call Green Building Supply with a problem, usually it is a conversation. This is the thing I'm trying to solve. How can you help me solve it?
We get lots of phone calls from people who say, hey, I just bought XYZ can of paint, or I just bought this material and it still stinks, it still smells, it's still causing me some health issues. What's going on? This is where we set the bar very high.
At Green Building Supply, we only sell things that are non-toxic, that are eco-friendly, they're high quality, and they make your home beautiful. We're very skeptical because there's so much greenwashing that's gone on in the industry as a whole. We basically don't care at all what kind of rating they have or certification they have. We want to do the testing ourselves. We want to have our experience.
Half the products that we test fail and don't perform, so we don't use those. And the others that do, we then put them on the market. It's just that simple. We don't want to sell products that cause any harm.
The mission of Green Building Supply is to provide the most non-toxic products possible without doing harm to human beings, to life forms, and to the environment.
Ultimately, our goal is to relieve suffering. Everyone should be able to live in a toxic-free environment. That's our right.